We love coffee, but brewing a good cup of coffee requires knowledge, tools, time, and messy cleanups. After 2 years of designing a new brewing system for the great tasting coffee with minimal time and effort, we are very excited to share with you the FinalPress. It directly brews coffee in your mug to eliminate any mess. And it makes a full, flavorful cup of coffee anytime with our patent-pending design. Using FinalPress is so simple. Simply fill with hot water. Stir between 10 to 30 seconds depending on any strength you prefer, from very light and delicate to full-bodied. And after leaving in the cup for a couple of minutes, press the plunger multiple times to maximize the release of rich flavor. Super easy to clean dry, leftover coffee grounds. 1.5 million trees are cut down to make enough coffee filters each year. FinalPress uses no paper filters or capsules, so you'll be helping the environment and keeping your coffee free from chemicals. Our patent-pending design with collapsing mechanism fits perfectly in your bag, so now you can easily carry FinalPress with you and brew great coffee wherever you are. Save time and money. Overpaying for a cup of coffee adds up really quickly. Tea lovers, we didn't forget about you. Yes, FinalPress can also be used as a tea infuser. Place your favorite tea leaves in the filter and stir. Enjoy your tea with a full, quality extraction. But wait, there is more. Each reward comes with a mason jar lid that is specifically designed for FinalPress. Place the FinalPress inside the jar and then our customized lid. Our system works by brewing coffee grounds in cold water. The stainless micron filter creates and preserves perfectly balanced, smooth-tasting flavors every time by leaving behind the bitter oil and fatty acids. Whether you are making yourself a perfect cup of hot or iced drink, creativity with FinalPress is endless. We are very excited to bring the FinalPress to your home and hope you are too. Please support and share our campaign.